What blows by but can't be seen and makes noise on the window screen? And when it hits the trees they lean. It's the wind, wind, wind. Spoonie asked a question. Hey, Mrs. Farley, will you teach me something about the wind? I got my hand up over here. I've been raising my hand. I want to learn about science. It's science time. Come on, let's learn about the wind. What is it? What is it? I want to know. Okay, Spoonie, I'm with you. I got you. Here I am. I got so much stuff to teach you about the wind. I don't have room for it all. I got all this on the table. I'm going to have to look at my bulldog bag and everything. Check out this tree. Can you see it blowing? Whoosh. Wind is moving air. We've been learning so much about air is real and takes up space. And we're going to learn some more about air today when we learn about the wind. Whoosh! Do you like the wind? Most people don't. Most people are like, it's bothering me. Wind happens, here comes the science, when warm air moves up. Be the warm air, move up. And cooler air moves in underneath where the warm air was before. Warm air goes up, cool air comes in. It's a cycle, it's a pattern, it repeats. Warm air goes up, cool air comes in. Warm and cool temperatures affect the wind's speed, how fast it goes, and the direction it goes. The wind direction is where the wind comes from. Check it out. Gusty, breezy, windy. It's a windy day, the wind is whispering. When wind blows with more and more force, a windstorm can develop. There are many kinds of windstorms. Often, they can blow branches off a tree or make a hurricane out in the water. Or have you ever heard of a tornado? Don't worry, we don't have tornadoes here. That's why I wear my Keep Calm shirt. Keep calm and look for the helpers. That'll help you. Okay, a tornado is a funnel-shaped windstorm that twists as hot air spins upward. We're going to find out more about tornadoes in a minute, but let's see what else we have here for the wind. A windy day. Let's see what we have. A Windy Day by Melvin and Gilda Berger. It's a windy day. Wow, look at that tree moving over. Hold on to your hat. Whoosh, my hat already flew away. Here it is. This is my weather hat. I got my weather hat. It blew away. The wind is blowing. Fun fact. I love these books with the fun fact. But guess what? Fun fact. You need to know what a fact is. How do you know when I say fun fact? What does that mean? A fact is something that's been proven to be true. They know, the weather, the meteorologists, the scientists have studied the wind. Fun fact, wind is moving air. Look at that. Whoosh. Can you pretend you're the wind? Whoosh. What kind of music do you think the wind would want to like or sound like? Wind pushes boats. Wind makes kites fly. Fun fact. Right here. Fun fact. Wind also turns the sails of a windmill. Have you ever seen a windmill? Well, I'm looking in my bulldog bag. I got some stuff down here for you. Windmill. What's a windmill? I don't know. Look at that. What does that need? It needs air to move. Air is real. The air came from in the classroom. I took a breath, it went in my lungs, and I blew it out. Can you do that? Blow hard. Ah, you did it. Good job. All right, let's find out about wind and air. Oh, I got some more stuff in my book. Hang in there, hang in there. Here we go. Wind brings rain clouds. Oh, that's interesting. I was in a storm. The wind was blowing and chasing me, and the rain came after me too. Wind blows clouds away. Some wind is slow. In music, we call that adagio. Slowly. Fun fact, a slow wind is slow-moving air. A fast wind is fast-moving air. That was pretty basic. We kind of knew that. We kind of figured that out. Slow wind, fast-moving, slow wind. I mean, really? That's your fun fact? I bet we can learn more about science than that. Some wind is fast. Look at the flag. Uh-oh. Fun fact, a very fast wind can cause a lot of damage. Fast wind can push over trees. Wow. You ever seen that happen before? Fast wind can make large waves. Wow, look at the large waves. That's kind of exciting. Some wind is warm. Fun fact, cool winds often blow from the ocean to the land. We're going to find out about that. Some wind is cool. See how they're on the beach? You're going to love this. This is really interesting. I learned something from studying this. Blow, wind, blow. I've been studying a lot about air and the wind for you so I could learn and teach you more. And I found out by reading this cool kids science book, it says right there, a sea breeze. Check this out. So when you go to the beach, the sand, let's see, it says, did you ever go to the beach on a really hot day? At home, people are like, there's no air. Let's go to the beach and get some air. Well, there's air everywhere, but it felt so hot, they felt like there wasn't. The air, off to the beach. Here we go. The beach sand absorbs heat faster. That means the heat stays at the beach faster than the water above the giant ocean. Did you know how big the oceans are? There's so much ocean on the earth. That's why I wear my blue hat. When we're studying the earth, there's more water than there is land. So, guess what? There's cooler air above the ocean, and there's hotter air above the sand. So the hot air rises, and the cool air comes in from the ocean to take its place. Hot air rises, cool air comes in, what we learned earlier. That makes the wind. That's why it's windy at the beach. The hot air rises, the cool air comes in. I just learned something. That is really cool. Thanks, books. Thanks, reading. Air is a natural resource. Many living things need air to live. Air for breathing. Air for making things move. Look at that. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, let's see what else we have over here. Whoosh! It's a windy day. What do you think the music will sound like from Mr. Vivaldi, who wrote music about the seasons? This one says winter, and you can see the wind blowing right here. Whoosh! Do you think it'll be allegro? Oh. Can you hear it? It doesn't sound very loud. Who's the speaker? Whoosh, whoosh, be like the wind and go with the music. Oh, thank you, Mr. Vivaldi from the country of Italy for making us windy winter music. Oh, that's fun. I like that. Okay, let's see. Air is real and takes up space. Air. What do we know about air? Hey, look at that. Hey, that was in my packing box when I ordered something, and I was like, oh my gosh, I can use that for science, Mr. Farley. Save it, save it. It has air inside. Air is real and takes up space. What else do we have? Well, I'm looking in my bulldog bag. Oh, air in the balloon. Now, how do you blow up a balloon? Or you can use one of these. It's a air... Oh, I forgot what it's called. Pump. It pumps up the balloon. There you go. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Can you feel the air coming out of that? That's fun. Oh, there's another one of those. Let's see what else is in my bulldog bag. Oh. Oh, my ball needs something. What does it need? That's too much blowing. Guess what? Ta-da! I have one that's already ready. What's in here? Air. But wait, what's in here? Oh, it's squishy. It's squishy. There's something soft in there. That's not air. Mrs. Farley. Oh, wait, we need air for this. I blew air into the train whistle. Air makes the vibration makes the sound, and the air goes through. How about air in here? Long things make a low sound. Short things make a high sound. Air's going through and causing vibration. Wait a minute. There's nowhere for the air to go in. That's just a stick. That didn't work. How about, what else has air? Is there anything else in my bag? Let's see. Oh, do you know what marshmallows are made of? Check this out. You're going to love this. Hang in there a little longer. Marshmallows are made of sugar and air. And guess what? I can prove it. I have this special science bottle that I got. And when you pump it, it pumps the air out. So the marshmallows are soft and squishy, right? And then I pump the air out. Keep pumping, keep pumping, keep pumping, keep pumping. Oh, they're getting smaller. I'm pumping the air out. Keep going, keep going. You can do it. Help me with it. Help me. Get up and move and pump the air out. Oh, they're getting smaller. They're getting more wrinkled. I can see the wrinkles because the air is coming out. The sugar stays in. The air comes out. And you keep going and going and going. And pretty soon your marshmallows are going to be tiny and really hard. You wouldn't want to eat them because they're so hard because there's no air in there to help make them soft. So that's kind of a fun science experiment. But the best one of all. I saved the best one for last. You're going to love this. Have you ever seen a tornado? Well, thankfully I can say I have not seen a tornado either. So, hopefully you have not. But watch this. Left hand in the middle, right hand on the top. You spin, 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 and then you stop. Can you see my tornado? Can you tell? Spin, spin. When the hot air and the cold air bump into each other and spin, and the wind blows super hard, it causes vortex action. Vortex action is science of tornadoes. Come on, spin, spin, spin. Be a tornado. Spin, spin. Are you spinning? Be a tornado like the wild weather. Oh, I made it. I did it. There's my tornado. Oh, that's fun. But guess what? Oh, and there's the rain on the bottom. This thing is what makes it work. This is a special science tool that I bought at a science store. So you can't just put them together with anything. I don't think. You might try. You never know. Spin, spin, spin. Make a tornado. That's caused by the wind. Oh my gosh, that was so exciting. Whoosh. Oh, I think I'm exhausted. I can't even think. This seemed like there was something else I really wanted to show you about tornadoes and wind and all that great stuff, but I think I'm worn out. I'll have to save it for next time. I must ask you a question, but I'll save it for later. Hope you had fun learning about wind and air and things. Woo! Have fun. Science rules. See you next time.